goodness, I totally missed my meeting. Okay, Tuesday, so... Oh my gosh, let me go do something to eat. I just left the dentist office, and I have found my favorite dentist. Like, seriously. He also gave me this little goodie bag with a toothbrush and some toothpaste. I'm probably gonna start using this one. It's called It's called Truly Radiant by Arm & Hammer. This dentist office is so informative. Like, they're so good. They're so good. I'm gonna go and grab Sydney something to eat. Drop off my prescription. And I was nervous this morning, so I didn't film because the dentist, I swear you guys, along with, did it just stop? Oh. My biggest fear are heights and the ocean. Right after the ocean is the dentist. Like, that is like my greatest fear. I know this is going to be so dramatic, but I would rather have another C-section than go to the dentist. I know. Dramatic. We dropped off Drake, Lucas, and Millie to Grandma's house. Okay, so here I go, meal prepping. I have asparagus. Is it focused? There it goes. I have some asparagus in here. There are carrots, onions, bell peppers, and I just put a little baby oil at the bottom. And I'm just going to cook this up for 2 to 3 minutes. I grilled my chicken last night just so it could be ready. And of course, I'm not going to eat all of this right now. The kids are going to have some, and then I'll put some away for tomorrow's lunch. So dinner was very healthy. I had some vegetables and my chicken. The seasoning from, like the seasoning, the recipe seasoning in the 21-Day Fix book is so good. I've only tried the all-purpose one. There's also a Mediterranean one and a Southwestern one, I think.
We had
the vegetables.
Celery sticks, ranch.
Yeah. So we're on our way to pick up one of my Cub Scouts, and then we'll be on our way to Scouts. Millie can't see herself, but I can see her. You know all the words to this song? Look at that teamwork back there. Yeah, come on, Puna. Let Sydney do the rest of it. Close it, Sydney. There we go. Seatbelts, guys. Seatbelts, Millie.
Ready?
Okay, ready. They're playing tag with Drakey. So we have our Cub corner going. Our Cub Scouts. We're getting ready to start. They're just playing around. And today they are going to earn their math loop.
I'm the only survivor here. Hey, you can't
So last 2 weeks ago, the boys came up with their own den code of conduct, so we came up with these. Of course, there's the new Scout Oath, new Scout Law. It's okay, just keep going.
Can we do the port? It's gonna be more easier. Hey.
He needs the card.
Look where we are. Millie, I don't need a cart. If I get a cart, that means I'm going to purchase more than what I really need. And we don't need that right now in our lives. Come on, Millie. Let's work together. I'm going to take one of these little baskets.
I told you we should start going down.
I love this little purse clip because it clips
Mom, can I go get
right here on my bag.
Can I go get the cart ones? Or you put the basket in it?
$1 or $3. No, I don't want the basket, Millie. I just want this little one. Do you want to hold this?
No.
And of course, I have to stop off in the dollar section. We're just cruising on back. Look how cute these little pens are.
Oh, look at these tiny.
They have like fabric tape.
Tiny
over here.
hat.
I know. These little gel pens are so cute.
What is this, Mom? Body wash pen. So I draw myself.
Body wash pen, what's that?
Oh! So it's like soap, but it's strong. So
Millie,
you can draw
please tie your
mustache.
shoes.
You can draw
Millie,
mustache.
tie your shoes, Millie. So how cute is this? The Honest Company came out with bottles, baby bottles. And this nipple that comes with these are 0 to 3 months. So we are going to have to purchase the nipple separately. See, this is six plus months, but I love this because it's all silicone. It's like, this is so awesome. Awesome. I really came here for the, let me see, what bottles? Oh, Millie, look. Look, they have Drake's. So, you guys know I just purchased Drake. I just got Drake one of these bottles. It was like pink and teal. Who knows? My husband probably threw it away. But I'm here again because I need to buy him. See, I can get this for him for juice. Because this looks like it's like 4 ounces or something. Oh, 5 ounces. That's so blurry. Oh, it's so blurry. There it goes. 5 ounces. So I'm going to take this one for Drake because I finally found a bottle that I like. So here's the end of my vlog. Oh. Yeah, good night, Drakey. So I don't know what's the deal with this, but these are only $2.45.